This short video is going to show you how to create a folder structure inside of Schoology. It's up to you to provide the kind of organization that you want your students to use. And so sometimes people use a folder structure that might go by week, some might go by topic or type, but here's how you'd go about doing that. I'm going to go up to Add Materials, Add Folder, and in this case, I'm just going to call it Week 1 and put a date on it so that everybody knows what area we're in. And I'll create another one just called Week 2. And I'm going to create one more folder. And guess what? No surprise, it's called Week 3. And click on Create. You can also create folders within subfolders. So inside of Week 1, I could create another folder and call it Monday's class, and another one Wednesday's class. So that way students always know where they'd have to go to get their material. The other way that some people might create a folder is they might have a folder just for presentations, handouts, assignments. So like I said before, it's up to you to create that folder. I'm going to create one more folder, and I'm just going to call it General, Course Documents. And in that folder, I might put things like the syllabus, some other class requirements, things that, most students would want to look at, in the first couple of days of class. But if you notice that this folder is now down at the bottom, what I'm going to do is just highlight that and grab it and make sure it's at the very top of the page. The other item at the top of the page that is sometimes helpful is to have a general, kind of like Q&A discussion board. And to add that discussion board to the top of the page, I'm going to click on Add Materials, click on Add Discussion, and I'm just going to call it General, Q&A discussion, but of course you can name it anything that makes sense to you. And once again, that being at the bottom, I just might want to put that at the top. And so that way, it's an easy way for you and your students to communicate, some general things about the course. If you're going to do like a regular discussion on a topic, it's probably best if you put that discussion, inside of Week 1 or in whatever folder that you want students going to. So that's a more topic-related discussion. So to post in that discussion, it's pretty simple. I can just click on General Q&A Discussion, and I can write my comment or my post there. It's something that all the students would see. They could reply it. It makes it nice and easy just for that very quick communication right at the very top of your list. Thank you and have a great day.